Time moves on, cities rebuild, and life returns to normal, but some places carry memories that never fade. These streets once witnessed the violence of World War II. Poitiers, France. For 4 long years, Poitiers lived under Nazi occupation. German troops passed through these gates daily, enforcing control, commandeering buildings, and restricting civilian life. In 1944, Allied advances finally reached the city, bringing liberation and ending years of foreign rule. Willemsplein, Arnhem. Arnhem's city center carries the scars of a failed gamble. In September 1944, Operation Market Garden unfolded here as Allied forces attempted to seize the bridges over the Rhine. British tanks pushed through narrow streets toward Arnhem Bridge, but well-prepared German defenses turned the city into a deadly trap, cutting off support and sealing the fate of the operation. Hollywood Corner, Arnhem. This street corner became one of the most fiercely contested positions of the Arnhem battle. Soldiers of the British 1st Airborne Division fought house to house here, isolated from reinforcements, running low on food, ammunition, and medical supplies, yet continuing to resist as German forces closed in from all sides. Malmedy, Belgium. Malmedy appears peaceful now, but in the winter of 1944, it stood in the path of Germany's last major offensive. During the Battle of the Bulge, American convoys rushed through these streets in freezing conditions, fighting desperately to hold the line. Trévières, a small town in Normandy, looks calm today. In June 1944, just days after D-Day, this road became a vital route toward Omaha Beach. German tanks and half-tracks were destroyed here, blocking the advance as smoke, fire, and chaos filled the street.